Welcome back. In this session, we are going to receive the final product from vendor. Go to MIGO, select here goods receipt, press enter. Select this subcontracting PO. Select item is OK. Check for consistency. Enter storage location. Here 0001. Post this. Display. Press enter. FI document. See, this is the moment type 543 for consumption of this component 1 and component 2. Click on this. See, this is the entry. Now next step is to check stock issued to vendor report, check stock report, invoice verification. Now we will refresh this report, ME2O, go back, refresh this. See, we don't have any stock because we received this component from subcontract. Close this. Now go to MB52. Before receiving the final product, these two items are showing as a stock issued to the vendor. You can see this vendor number as well. Go back, execute this again. See, we don't have any stock because we received and we consumed the components. Now this entry, this is done. MMBE for final product, we already have stock for this MMBE. So we can ignore this. Next step is to invoice verification. We already know how to do this invoice verification. I am skipping this step. Now we'll go to posted general entry here. See, this is the entry posted. In next session, we will understand this entry. Thank you.